Hello, it's Gramps with an update on my weight loss journey. It's day 21, and I was at 14.8 pounds today. Yesterday, I was at 15.2, so I bounced again today. But right after I made the last video, I bounced for several days in a row, all the way back up to 9 pounds of loss. So the week has generally been down, but I do see that I'm going to have some up and down swings in here. So I can't get discouraged when I see I bounce back up, because the overall trend is still down. So just wanted to give you all an update. Day 21, 14.8 pounds. So it's not a pound a day anymore, but at least it's still going down. And I'll check back with you in about a week or so. Follow me on my journey. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment. I appreciate it, and I will answer. Thank you.